Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring safety and baseline readings. Lock out power and verify 0V at the compressor. Once done, recover refrigerant or isolate the circuit to avoid contamination and identify the unit model and nameplate pressures so you know expected values. Make sure you have a multimeter, manifold gauges, oil pump, and PPE within reach. These let you measure, evacuate, and top up oil without delays. Begin with low-risk checks so you can proceed into diagnostics confidently. You now perform the detailed diagnostics that reveal root causes. Start with electrical tests, continuity and insulation resistance on each winding, because cold or shorted coils show measurable deviations. Next, connect pressure and temperature gauges. Compare actual suction and discharge numbers to nameplate or system charts to pinpoint mechanical or refrigerant issues. Then inspect oil level, filter dryer, valves, and start/run components. These affect lubrication and flow. You finish by carrying out the chosen fix, rewind, replace, or repair components while following torque specs and assembly order to prevent leaks or misalignment. Then evacuate the system to the specified vacuum, charge refrigerant to the manufacturer's charge, and monitor startup currents and pressures. This confirms proper operation. Make sure to log post-service readings. If things go wrong, check the most common failure. If current is high, verify overload settings, valve positions, oil level, and suspect shorted or grounded windings as the next step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.